What is up YouTube? Thanks again for tuning in on a very brand new desktop accessory video. Do you feel like you need to upgrade your desktop but don't want to spend a fortune on the costly gaming mouse, costly gaming keyboard and all of these pricey LED setups? Do not worry, because for this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my top 5 desktop accessories that I use and depend on an everyday basis but do not cost me more than 1000 INR individually. You might ask me, why did I choose to go with cheaper items? Because I don't have any money and this whole video is shot on an 8th century camera. So if you can, just drop a like and subscribe, and let's get this video started. Alright, so starting with my number one accessory that I have on my desk is the keyboard and mouse setup. This is a very affordable accessory that I picked it from Amazon because it runs via Bluetooth. There have been many comments of late asking me why I don't have a Bluetooth mechanical keyboard, and that makes all this funky and cool noise when you type on your or write your program. I did not want to spend so much money on an accessory that I can get for cheap and also does pretty much all the work that I get from a mechanical keyboard. The reason I did not also go for wired keyboard is because it makes my desk super clunky with all the wires lying here and there. This Potronics keyboard and mouse each take two AAA batteries, and the USB receiver is just plugged into right your USB port, and it just starts working without having to do any other external setup. The overall delay is also non-existential when the receiver is close by, and I don't find any other need of using my mouse or my keyboard away from my desktop. Overall, this keyboard and mouse has definitely been a great addition to my desktop and works wonder for the cheap price I grabbed it from. You don't always have to have costly setup to experience comfort, right? Moving on, my second and most important accessories of this whole setup is the USB hub. Whoa, how much this has reduced the dependency of connecting multiple USB cables and even having to transport this cable from my desktop to my MacBook. I use the TP-Link 6-port USB hub that provides a direct Type-C connector. This is definitely very useful because I can easily connect my wired devices from my USB mini to my camera to my USB receiver and also my speaker option all in one place. There are multiple options for USB hub right now in the market, and I definitely recommend you pick one of that. It makes the whole desk less clunky and provides a cleaner and minimalistic look. Be sure to check out if the receiver or the type hub is going to be a Type C or Type B port. Depending on that, you can definitely pick it up. Another cheap and useful electronic item that I picked up for under 500 rupees is this Zebronic speaker. I'm not a big fan of earphones, even though I sometimes have to definitely use it while editing videos and such. I often drop some lo-fi music through my speaker and work for hours. I needed a decent speaker without having to have all these funky and costly functionalities, and this speaker provides that. A very simple looking yet powerful wired speaker that gets powered via a 5-volt USB port. Once done, it definitely has a good range and plays up to a decent amplitude without the distortion. The speaker is really good as it does not have the white noise issue that most of the 5-volt powered speakers do. Giving the ability to play some relaxing music while working on your favorite programming project is definitely the best thing that I have purchased for cheap. I highly recommend this speaker in your desk as the primary speaker, even if you are looking for a good and cheap alternative to costly rigs. Never did I think that I will need a phone holder just to keep my phone static while programming. If you are a mobile app developer like me, you will know my pain. More than running a project on an emulator, it is highly advisable to run it on a physical device. But the constant disk connection, because the phone keeps moving on the desk, kept me going crazy. That's why I found myself a decent phone holder / tripod that is very useful if you ask me. This is a simple tripod that I bought for about 300 bucks that holds my phone in place while I try to work on my mobile application development. Doubling down as a tripod for taking videos as well using the main camera, this is a very good buy if you ask me. Check the link in the description, grab any one of the phone holders and you will definitely thank me later. I read somewhere that having a plant in your desk improves your productivity by 10-fold. What kind of magic is that? I don't know, but I'm very sure I can't maintain a real plant. So I just grabbed this artificial plant for about 250 bucks, and there you go, the productivity booster. Well, if you're into productivity like me and you quickly realize buying a plant alone won't work, you will turn your head towards something that has helped me for sure. I came across this diffuser, one of the Amazon sales, and I just wanted to try it out. As soon as I got it, I was really amazed at how useful it was. All you need to do is just open your diffuser, pour some water inside, take any of your favorite scented oil, pour 5 to 6 drops inside it, and turn it on. It keeps the surrounding fresh and also reduces the humidity around you. This one is from Amazon, and there are a bunch of awesome diffusers that you can buy. I grabbed this one for about 800 bucks and has made a huge impact in how I work and what I work with. All you need to do is just turn your diffuser on, put on some lo-fi music, and you will forget time. If you like this video and would like to also help the channel, do not forget to check the links out in the description below, and also drop any comments as to what you found very cheap on Amazon so that we help the community as well. Let me meet you guys in the next video. Until then, it's Bharat. Peace out. Have a super awesome day.